Hi, this is Pam with Pam's Paper Place, and I have a Christmas journal that I'd like to share with you. I just finished it. I will list this tomorrow, Sunday, which I believe is December 1st. It's a design team project for Studio 28E. The journal is 9 by 6. I made the cover, chipboard cover. And it has this really pretty Christmas fabric. Here you have a doily with some little fluffy black fibers and a button. And then this pretty lace. It has a flannel plaid spine. 2 signatures sewn in. And here's the back. Another little doily. I didn't put a button there because I wanted it to lay flat. Excuse me. And it's a design team project with Studio 28E, Sherry Smear, and I call it that the digital kit is called, I think, Down on the Farm or On the Farm, and this journal I'm calling Christmas Farm. I have real pretty, this black shabby roses on the side. And here, a couple more of these shabby little flowers. I added this little sticker that says Season's Greetings. This is from the digital kit. And I have a couple of these, I call them Invisible. Invisible. There we go, I did it. Where the, it's on the back side. So it's a pocket, but you're not covering the image from the digital kit. And then I made this cute little tag, some coffee dyed paper, and a little recipe, and this little Tim Holtz lady that is there. And then this is a cute little pocket I made stitched around it. It's a little cute little redheaded boy in the farm from my little book, children's book. And then here's some ledger paper. This is a fabric tag with a little flower and some rickrack sewn around. Then I have this little tag that flips up that you could journal on. It's got ice skates. And here's a little tag tucked there, and some little paper. A little ticket. That's embossed. So that goes in here. Notes and little sheep. This is from the digital kit. I have some fun pages from this Ma's Cooking Mountain Recipes. It's really kind of funny. 1986. This has snapping turtle, hush puppies, frog legs recipes, catfish soup. Here's from the digital. I had some washi tape on the side here. Added this little ruffle here. This is from a craft book. And then I added this sticker that says Holiday Stories. That's the other side of it. Some graph paper. Here's a Christmas card. It has this little red paper clip in the shape of a bow. And I have this little paper bag that I fussy cut this design out. I'll put that on there, and then you have a little tag that you may journal in. This is fun. I like the farm theme. And this is a kit. This is a different digital kit. This is a real pretty from a Christmas book page. And then here I have a recipe card that went well with that. And then I altered this with, cut these out and just added a couple little things here for this card. And this was a little bingo card that I added this image here, and then just tuck this. This is from Sherry's kit. And those could be clipped here. This is from Sherry's kit. Here's some writing paper. Sherry's kit. And then I added this sticker here. It says Merry Christmas. Here's a fabric flip. I have a ruffle here. That flannel. This fabric. And this fabric. And it's on some dyed paper. And I won't keep saying, but all these papers are from Sherry's kit, other than the back of the papers. I used a different digital kit for the lined and papers on the back. Here's some really cool wrapping paper, which opens up like that. I thought that was really cool. Found that at the thrift store. Lined paper. Here's a vintage little card. A postcard. I added a stamp and a couple little things here. So you could journal on that, and a guest check. And I'll list this in my store tomorrow, Sunday the 1st. Pen to Paper by Pam is my Etsy store, and I will put that in the description box once I get all the pictures and the listing ready. This is from kind of a, what was it? Like a Arts and Crafts magazine. There's another one of these little paper clips, a bow. And then I altered this little card with some fabric lace and a little milk cap, bottle milk cap. Here's a little cute postcard. And then you have one of these big recipe cards, roasted stuffed turkey breast. And you can write there. And then here's the middle of the first signature. And I have 2 more of these invisible pockets. See, it's not the same. And the same. Aren't they cute? So I got some ephemera and I made a copy of it. And you can use that. Watts Brothers Notions White Goods and Furnishings. And then we have a recipe card, oops, here to write and journal on. And then there's a little tag. And then here's another ephemera that I had gotten from 1925 that I made a copy of. You could journal on. And then here's a coin envelope that I put a little tag in. It says I Heart Presents. And then there's a little ruffle and a button, and fussy cut that out, and some S&H green stamps, and just collaged a few things in there. And here I altered a little Rolodex card. And there's 2 tags. Cute. Go on here. It's a little chicken paper from an Arts and Crafts book. I added these little banners. There are stickers there, Christmas. And then here is a playing card for a tuck with this vintage Christmas card. I like that playing card with the farm scene on it. Writing, here's some more of the beautiful vintage wrapping paper. You can write here. And then these are cute. I have these, they're like little postcards, Gal Pals, Women's Friendship and Association Friends at the 4-H Club Fair. Cute farm, old grandmas, little grandmas at the farm. Here's some of that dyed paper. A little cluster here. More of that beautiful DigiKit. with some paper. Then I have this, Life is Better on the Farm. I got cow and milk, little flashcards, and a recipe card. And this is a different DigiKit. And I got this cute little cow here, and I put a little barn, some butter, like a little fractions flashcard. Beautiful Christmas craft magazine. Another digital kit. This is Sherry's kit. Here's the other side of that Christmas card. And then I have this and another recipe card. Tucks in here. It's got some graph paper, writing. This is from a book, Christmas Projects. Added that wide washi tape to the edge here. And here's some more of the cookbook, PamVanEe pumpkin pie, mincemeat, vinegar pie. Can't say I've ever had that before. And then more of the kit and ledger. And then I added that little sticker there. That's the end of the first signature. And here's the beginning of the second. Pretty images. I'll put the link to Sherry's farm digital kit in the description. Here's a little altered card. I fussy cut that out. And another cute little recipe card. Christmas project page. Writing space. Had added a couple sheets of this note paper, Farmer's Market. And then this is a digital kit from KB and Friends. And this is Sherry's library card. And this is like a seed packet. Home Seeds Farm. And I fussy cut this out from here and put that on there. Writing some more of the wrapping paper. There's a Christmas card. And we have this cute little image from Sherry's kit. I backed it on that. Digi, I think that Digi is TLC Creations, I believe. Added those banners. And this is Sherry's kit with the little sheep. And I may have glued that in there, so I'll have to get that out. But it's a little sheep that fits in there. Those little boys cute. And I added that there so you could just tuck that. It says eggs for sale. Writing. Here's a little Santa Christmas. Or a little Santa cutout from a paper pad. I added Very Merry. And you have a postcard in this white fir tree. And then that's from Sherry. That's just Sherry. Added cute little playing cards. And this little chicken recipe card. Writing. A lot of writing space. Here's more of that recipe page. Stuffed peppers, sweet taters, and black walnuts. Sweet corn dish or pudding. Here I added this ruffle and this little button here. This is from Sherry's kit. These tags, I added this little fabric tab, and here's a recipe card. And I added that little sticker with the bird's nest, and this pretty paper from a book. Looks like cross stitch. This is so cute, that little boy. Writing, ledger. This is a kind of a graph paper. It's green graph paper. here is an altered coin envelope. And it's this there, and I Heart Christmas. And then this is a tag. That was a page that I made into a tag. Oops. Middle of the second signature. Beautiful image here. Little tuck, little owl, little pig. And added this milk cap here. Here's another one of these cute little pockets from a children's book. And then here's another fabric tag. And then here is a tag for journaling. And then this is embossed. And then a couple little things that can tuck in there. So lots of places to journal. And here I just added this ruffle on this little, like a bingo card, and then these cute little girls. And then you could tuck something in here, whatever you wanted, like a photo or something. And then I added that sticker, I love Christmas time. Cornmeal mush. My dad used to make that fried cornmeal mush. That was so good. Puddings and pies. Then here's a fabric flip. And then I added that little flower. And then this has a couple little pretty, oops, my shadow. I'm doing this at night. I don't usually do it at film at night. That one, this one. That's this Christmas tree, a little pretty ribbon there. Little sticker there. Here's the other side of the Christmas card. And I did a little collage here. It says warm apple pie on a little Rolodex mini card. And then I added this collage tag. Cute. I added these because I kind of match that. It's the other side of the Christmas card. And then here's that beautiful wrapping paper that I got at a thrift store. I really like it. Look how much of it is. Really pretty. Here is a cute little playing card here, Norman Rockwell. And a little card that I altered. Milk cap and a little ruffle. It says Merry Christmas. Pretty image here. A little craft magazine. Writing. Pretty flowers. And here's another one of the that I cut out with another tag here. And then here's the last, and this is another invisible pocket. It's the same there. I added this bottle cap, put sharing here because they're kind of sharing her clover with the little calf. And then I have these little tags that will tuck in here. And then we have more of this here. And it has kind of a shabby edge to it. But I had a lot of fun making it. I love the farm type journals. And this is a Christmas one. So thank you for watching. And this will be available Sunday, December 1st. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.